Hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Thuý.
V, how are you today?
I'm happy.
And how old are you? How old are you, V?
6.
Okay, you were 6 years old. Pretty young. Alright, so V, today we got test on unit 5 and 6. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Good luck to you. So first we got vocabs on the topic of clothes. So can you tell me what is it? It's a... What is it, V?
It's a shirt.
Good. It's a shirt. And what is it?
It's a
Jump. What is it? Is that a jumper?
it's a jumper.
Yes. And how about this?
It's a t-shirt.
Good. And can you tell me what are they?
It's a
No.
sock.
What are they? They are
They are
socks.
sock.
Socks, okay? They
Sock.
are socks. And what are they?
They are
They are they trousers?
trousers.
Yes, they are
They are
trousers. Okay, and what are they?
They are
They are
shoes.
shoes. Good job. And can you tell me what color is the t-shirt? What color is the t-shirt? Is it green, red, yellow? What color is it?
Red.
Good. And what color is the jumper? What color is the jumper?
It's green.
Yeah, green and
Red.
red. Good. And V, what are you wearing today? Can you tell me what are you wearing? I am wearing a red t-shirt. Sorry, I'm wearing a white t-shirt. I'm sorry, red jacket and black trousers. And what are you wearing? I am wearing
I am wearing t-shirt
red t-shirt. I
Red.
can see and
and
blue
blue
trousers. I can see, right? Are the blue trousers? All right, V, let's move to the next topic. Okay, we got some body parts here. Can you tell me what is it? It's a... What is it? It's a... Is that a head? It's a head. Okay,
Head.
it's a head. What is it?
It's a nose.
Very good. What is it?
It's a mouth.
And this?
It's a
What is this? It's a chin.
chin.
Okay. And what are they?
They are
They are... What are they? Eyes. Okay. And what are they?
They are ear.
Very good. And can you tell me what are they?
They are finger.
No, they are not fingers. What are they? They are arms. Okay, they are arms. All right, so V, can you tell me how many nose have you got? I have got...
I have got one nose.
Yes, and how many eyes have you got?
One what? Got
I have got... I have got...
two eyes.
Yes, and how many fingers have you got? How many fingers have you got? I have got... No, not five. Five. How many?
10.
Yes, I have got 10. Yes, good. I've got 10 fingers. Let's move to the last part, the phonics part. So V, tell me the letter, the
M.
sound, yes, and the word. What letter is it?
M.
M for?
monkey, mountain,
Good. Letter
and
N sounds.
n, n, nine, n, nut,
Letter
O,
O for.
O, O,
What is this?
rat,
Octopus.
octopus,
Octopus and
orange,
orange. Good job. Letter
P,
P for.
P for
What is this animal? Is that a panda?
panda,
Yes, panda and
pink,
letter
Q,
Q sounds.
Qua, Qua,
What? Who is this? Queen.
Queen, question, letter R,
Letter R.
letter R,
R for
rubber,
and
rubber.
rubber. All right. Okay. Well done, V. That's the end of your test today. Good luck and goodbye.
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
Goodbye.